How to use AutoDS for Shopify dropshipping. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Shopify and how easily you're going to go ahead and dropship using AutoDS. Now, AutoDS, if you're not aware, is an incredible dropshipping platform that allows you to dropship any products of any kind in the easiest, most simplest, and most efficient way. And obviously, we're doing it on Shopify, which is one of the greatest marketplaces out there when it comes to creating stores and specifically dropshipping stores. Now, if you're manually fulfilling Shopify orders, you're wasting your time. AutoDS automates everything from finding products to shipping. Now, here's how to set it up to make sales on autopilot. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to be going over to your Shopify website, which is shopify.com as so. And right over here, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on Start Free Trial. Now, once we come up over here, what's going to happen from there is you're going to click on Sign Up with Email. And right over here, simply add your email just as so. And once you've added your email, add in your password as well. Make sure it's a strong and secure password because obviously you're not going to want to lose your password in a software like this. Now, once you're here, they're going to take you to your onboarding where they're going to say, where would you like to sell? Now, in our case, we are going to go with an online store, but you can go with any of these choices that they give you. Now, once I go with online store, it says, which best describes you? Now, it says, this helps us suggest the right onboarding. So I'm going to be going with I'm not selling yet. Now, once we do that, it says, what do you plan to sell? We'll get you the right features and tools. Now we have products I buy or make myself, digital products, dropshipping products, services, print on demand, and decide later. I'm going to go with dropshipping products, obviously, because that is the niche that we're going to go towards. And once that is done, I'm simply going to go ahead with skip, I'll decide later. And once that is done, we are into our Shopify repertoire. Now, over here, what we're going to want to be guided through is the fact that we're going to want to download AutoDS. Now, AutoDS is something pretty incredible that you can find right over here in your app store. So simply go over to Shopify App Store and we're going to search up for AutoDS right here. Now, up here, you're going to search Auto, and generally it should give you an auto search for AutoDS. And once we are over here, simply click on that. And once you click on it, simply click on Install. Now, once we click on Install, AutoDS basically downloads itself straight onto your Shopify. So pretty straightforward and pretty cool stuff. And once it's over here, I'm also going to be giving you an insight on what AutoDS actually is. Now, what is AutoDS? AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping tool. It integrates with Shopify and automates product imports, order fulfillment, inventory sync, price updates, and customer notifications. Now, one click product import is available from over 25 suppliers, along with tons of other features like automatic pricing, stock monitoring, auto fulfilling orders with tracking, built in image editor and product description templates, and you get a lot of profitable product research tools. Now, if I were to give you a step by step setup, obviously you're going to come here when you have downloaded it through the Shopify App Store. Simply wait for it to load up. And it's pretty straightforward because you're going to create an account on it as well. Now, if you want to obviously get yourself more, frankly, affiliated, you can create an account on autods.com itself because obviously, if you create an account over there, setting it up over here would be much simpler and much more straightforward. But even if you want to go ahead and fill it in with your Shopify account, that's perfectly fine as well. So over here, they're going to say we're going to find the right package for you. Then obviously we have 19.9 per month, we have 29.9 per month, 49.9 per month. Now these are the different pricings and plans. So obviously once you've chosen your pricing and plan, you know which one suits you and which one works best for you, you're going to choose a supplier. Now your supplier could be Amazon, Walmart, CJ Dropshipping, Alibaba, AliExpress, whatever you want. So just choose any of them. And Finally, import any product for yourself using product URL or any certain marketplace like Alibaba, AliExpress, you have 1688, and so much more. You can also go ahead, set your pricing rules and margins, and finally enable auto ordering for yourself to get yourself up and running. And obviously, it gives you a kicking start to your day and a kicking start to your actual dropshipping business. It's pretty innovative, it's pretty, out there in the world, and it's going to help you a lot when it comes to your businesses. Now, if I were to go ahead and talk about the pros and cons of this software, I would gladly say that the pros would be that it's extremely time saving. Now, that's one of the best things about AutoDS because AutoDS not only is one of the most popular agents when it comes to dropshipping, but the best part about it is that it's all in one and it saves a lot of time. So there's a billion other things that have a billion other apps that you can do things on, but AutoDS has enabled you to get all of that in one place. Now, that's pretty incredible. It's pretty cool for them to do that. AI builds Shopify store, you have product research systems, product imports fulfilled by AutoDS, print on demands, product sourcing, and a whole lot more. And not only does it save your time, hands-free fulfillment is also available. Then you get real-time price monitoring. You go for great scaling stores as well. It's extremely incredible when it comes to scaling everything in one flow. Now, if I were to obviously share the cons a bit as well, because obviously I can't just talk about the pros and give you all high hopes, I should share the cons as well, because there are a few. And the first con would be the monthly subscription. Now, obviously, this is something that is pretty off putting for new users out there that are starting dropshipping because no one brand new wants to go ahead and get started with a $30 per month package right off. Okay. So obviously that's one of the cons you get. Obviously it is relatively cheaper than all the other platforms that are provided, but do keep it in mind that you're going to want to give some thought to actually buying the product before using it. Then also, it requires a little setup. So there is a short learning curve. You don't actually get into it straight away. You do have to set things up through AutoDS, set your products up, set your, basic analytics up, set your dashboards up. So after all of that setup, that is when you can actually start using things. And it can also glitch with lesser known suppliers, so do keep that in mind. But yeah, generally to give you pro tips for profit, just use AutoDS Marketplace to find high margins for yourself, fast shipping products, create custom descriptions and titles to improve SEO, and automate your reviews and customer emails. So don't just dropship, automate it, because AutoDS lets you scale like a pro with less stress. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. Do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.